Let's discuss the different types of testing devices used in electrical substations. Testing tools used in electrical substations are essential for ensuring the safety, reliability, and proper functioning of the power grid. These tools are designed to test various components and systems within the substation. Some of the common testing tools used in electrical substations include number one, digital multimeter, also known as DMM, a versatile tool used to measure voltage, current, resistance, and continuity. It is essential for general electrical troubleshooting and basic measurements. Number two, insulation resistance tester, also known as MEGR. This tool measures the insulation resistance of electrical equipment such as transformer, cables, and motors to identify any potential insulation breakdown or damage. Number three, power quality analyzer. This is used to monitor and analyze the quality of electrical power, including parameters like voltage, current, frequency, harmonics, and power factor. It helps to identify and diagnose power quality issues. Number four, circuit breaker analyzer, specifically designed to test the performance of circuit breakers. It checks the timing, insulation, integrity, and context condition to ensure proper functioning. Number 5, transformer turns ratio or TTR tester, used to measure the turns ratio of power and distribution transformers. It helps to verify the transformer's primary to secondary turns ratio and detect any winding faults. Number 6, digital clamp meter, an essential tool for measuring AC or DC current without disconnecting the circuit. It is particularly useful for checking the current flow in cables and conductors. Number 7, protective relay test set, used to test protective relays and protection schemes to ensure they respond appropriately to fault conditions and maintain system stability. Number 8, primary injection test set, used to simulate high currents in the primary windings of current transformers, that is also known as CTs, and verify their performance and accuracy. Number 9, secondary injection test set, similar to primary injection test sets but used to test the performance of protective relays, including overcurrent, distance, and differential relays. Number 10, oscilloscope, an instrument used to visualize and analyze electrical waveforms. It is valuable for diagnosing transient events and signal analysis. Number 11, thermal imaging camera, used to identify hotspots and abnormal temperature variations in electrical equipment, which may indicate potential issues or failures. Number 12, dielectric strength tester, determines the dielectric strength of insulating oils and other dielectric fluids, ensuring their suitability for use in electrical equipment. Number 13, voltage detector or PEN, used to detect the presence of voltage without direct contact with the live conductors, providing an additional layer of safety during testing. Regular maintenance and testing are required to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical power system. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to read this content in detail, then visit our blog and read the article. We have explained each and every component in detail.